First.
All right. What are your names?
Winston. Nate.
All right. And what do we have here, Nate?
I have a car and me in a Lego set and a spin wheel that I can just spin it.
Wow. All right. And then what else do we have here, Nate? Or Winston?
I built my own special office. I have the electronics. I have sonic boom. This is the sonic boom rings, and they're how to attach it here.
What's this building called?
Huh?
What's the building called?
The building is an office.
This is the office, and then what's underneath?
It's a garage, and here I have two buttons. This is my other guy.
Okay.
Playing computer.
Can we see the car in action?
Yeah, sure. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow. All right. Thank you.